kids, dito na lang po sa unahan. So this time, magsising muna po tayo ng happy birthday for Eliza, alright? So lahat ng kids, loud your voice. Alright, yung ibang kids, come on. Dito na lang sa unahan, okay? Dito. Alright, so ready kids? Sing! Happy birthday to you. Louder kids! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, so everybody clap your hands. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Alright, and of course, before kayo blow ni Eliza yung candle niya, birthday wish po ni Mommy and Daddy for Eliza.
Rachel.
Isa lang yung wish ko, sana maging healthy siya. Maging matalino. Yan lang.
Sa akin, siyempre, good health, saka sana better future yun. Thank you.
Alright, so malakwa naman natin si Mommy and Daddy Ruben. Alright, so at the count of 3, ready, Eliza? 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so blow your candles. So malakwa naman natin si Eliza. Happy birthday! Alright, so lahat ng kids, so muna lahat ng kids. Family picture muna together with Kid Mutin. We may.